Hello friends, today I'll discuss about the question which has been come in the Indian Space Research Organization in 2019 10th March. Okay, so here first question is the measurement of workability for a Phoenix concrete will be appropriate by determination of its flow, slump, compacting factor, none of this. So actually the measurement of workability for a tuning concrete will be a flow. So right answer of this question will be A. Now next question, when the depth of wave of a RCC beam exceeds dash side face reinforcement shall be provided. So when the depth of the wave in a RCC beam exceeds 750 mm, 750 mm, we provide in that case side face reinforcement, and the quantity of the side face reinforcement will be 1% of the wave area. Okay, now next question, in the case of a continuous beam, if the width of the support is less than 1/12 of the clear span, then the effective span shall be calculated as the clear span plus effective depth or center to center of support, whichever is less. Okay, so right answer of this question will be C. Now next question, in an under reinforced RCC beam section, the actual neutral axis falls dash critical neutral axis of the balance section. So right answer of this question will be above the critical neutral axis of the balanced section. Now next question, the fineness modulus of aggregate approximately is directly proportional to the average size of the particle, is inversely proportional to the average size of the particle, indicates the water absorption of the aggregate, indicates the modulus of elasticity of the aggregate. So right answer of this question will be is directly proportional to the average size of the particles. Okay, so right answer of this question will be A. Now next question, two steel long column P of length L and Q of length 2L have the same cross section strength characteristics and condition. The ratio of buckling load of column P to that of the column Q is 0.5, 2, 1 and 4. So right answer of this question will be D, 4. Okay, now next question, for a given soil mass with a water content of 15%, the void ratio is 0.55 and the specific gravity of the soil particles is 2.6. The degree of saturation of the soil will be 45, 55.80, 70.9 and 90.20. So right answer of this question will be C, 70.90. Okay, now next question, match the dimensionless parameters in group 1 with the corresponding ratio in group 2. Okay, so first one is the mass number. Mass number is generally ratio of the fluid velocity and the velocity of this sound. Okay, so and next one, Reynolds number is the ratio of inertial force and the viscous force, so it will match the 3. And now R, Weber number is the for the ratio of inertia force and the surface tension force. Okay, and last one is the S, Froude number is a ratio of the inertia force and the gravitational force. Okay, so right answer of this question will be C. Now next question, an isohedge is a line joining point of the equal humidity, equal temperature, equal evaporation, equal rainfall. Right answer of this question will be D, equal rainfall. Okay, now next question, The type of the truss suitable for span of about 3 meter is Feng truss, king post truss, how truss, none of this. So right answer of this question will be B, king post truss. Okay. Now next question, the unit of this strain is Newton mm, Newton per mm, Newton is per square meter, no units. Actually, strain is change in length by original length. That's why strain has not any units. So it is an unit less quantity. That is the no unit. Okay, right answer to this question will be D. Now next question. Steel bar of 8 mm is heated from 10 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius and the bar is free to expand. The bars will induce tensile stresses, compressive stresses, no stresses and shear stresses. As this bar is free to expand, so there will produce no stress. So right answer of this question will be B. Now next question. Modulus of rigidity is the ratio of the linear stress to linear strain, linear stress to lateral stress, volumetric strain to linear strain, shear stress to shear strain. So right answer of this question will be D, shear stresses to shear strain. Now next question, a body is subjected to a direct tensile stresses of 400 megapascal in one plane accompanied by simple shear stresses of 150 megapascal. So the maximum normal stresses will be C. If we calculate the right answer, the answer will come as 450 megapascal. Okay. Now next question, the stresses in a body when suddenly loaded is the stresses of when the same load is applied gradually, that is the twice. Okay. Now next question, strokes is the unit of kinematic viscosity in CGS units, dynamic viscosity in MKS units, kinematic viscosity in MKS units, dynamic viscosity in SI units. So right answer of this question will be A. Okay. Next question, the shear stress strain graph for Newtonian fluid is straight line. Okay. Right answer of the question will be 1. A. When the water in the channel is flowing at the critical velocity, the specific energy will be maximum, the specific energy will be minimum, and critical depth will be 0. None of this. So specific energy will be minimum. Okay. So right answer of this question will be B. Now next question, while surveying a plot of land by method of the plane tabling, the field observation and the plottings are proceed simultaneously. So right answer of this question will be A. Okay. Now next question, during leveling operation, if the backside is more than the foresight, then it indicates that the backside is at lower point. Okay. So right answer of this question will be B. Now next question, if the whole circle bearing of a line is 180 degree, then its reduced bearing will be B, south 0 degree east. Okay. So right answer of this question will be B, dot C. Okay. Now next question, the vertical distance between a spring's line and the highest point on the intode is the called rise. Okay. Now next question, an artesian springs is formed when the porous strata gets confined between the two impervious strata. Okay. Right answer of this question will be C. Now the finely divided dispersion of solid particle in water which are not visible to the naked eye and cannot be removed by ordinary filters are known as suspended impurities, dissolved impurities, and the colloidal impurities, and D is none of the above. The right answer of this question will be colloidal impurities. Now according to Indian standard, the consumption of water per capita per day for nursing homes, boarding school and hostel is 135 liters per day. Okay. Now next question, if the depletion of the oxygen is found to be 3 mg per liter after incubating 5 ml of sewage diluted to 250 ml for 5 days at 20 degrees Celsius, BOD of the sewage will be 150 milligram per liter. Okay, it's mathematical problem, so I will solve it later. Now next question, when water table is under the base of the footing to a depth equal to half of the width of the footing, the bearing capacity of the soil is reduced to 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, none of this, that is 3/4. Okay. Now next, the cement concrete from which the entained air and excess waters are removed after placing it in positions is called vacuum concrete. Okay. Now next question, efflorescence in cement is caused due to the presence of excess of alkalis. Okay. Now next question, the average shear stresses for structural steel rolled beam is calculated by dividing the shear force at the cross section by the gross area of the beam. Okay. Now next question, wave crippling of structural steel beam occurs due to failure of the wave under concentrated load. Okay. Now next question, creeping of rails can be checked by anchors. Okay. Now equation of a line normal to fx is given by this is, so right answer of this question will be a. Consider the shaded triangle region P shown in the figure. What is the value of double integration x, y, dx and dy? That will be a 1. Okay. Using trapezoidal rules and dividing the interval of integrating into the 3 equal sub intervals, the definite integral, it is limit is -1 to +1, x dx is 1.11. Okay. Now it's a mathematical problem. A circular rings of radius 42 cm is cut and bent into the form of a rectangular whose sides are in the ratio of 6.5. This is, sorry, 6:5. So the small sides of the rectangle is 60 cm. Now next question, a tank is normally filled in 8 hours but takes 2 hours longer to fill because of a leak at the bottom. If the tank is filled and due to the leakage along the tank will get empty in 40 hours. So the right answer of this question will be B. Okay guys, thank you. I will upload this solution later. Okay, thank you.